Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we are going to make our Lucy skirt. You will need your fabrics, some elastic and your sewing supplies. This pattern is free. Please check the description box below for the link. Let's start with the bottom tiers of the skirt. Increase your stitch length and give a loose stitch all across the piece as shown. Leave extended threads on either sides. Use the threads to gather the piece towards the center. Do this for both the pieces. Place the gathered piece on top of your front skirt piece with the right sides facing each other. Adjust the gathers, pin and stitch them together. Overlock the seam. Now pin the other gathered piece to the back skirt piece in the same way and stitch them together. Overlock the seam. Place the front and the back skirt pieces together with the right sides facing each other. Pin and stitch the side seams. Overlock the side seams. To create the waistband, fold the seam allowance towards the wrong side of the fabric. Fold once again. And stitch all around. Start your stitch from the side seam. And leave a small opening as you finish the stitch. Give another stitch all around at the center of the waistband. And leave a small opening as you finish this stitch as well. Pass the elastic into the upper channel. Stitch the ends of the elastic together. And pass another elastic into the lower channel of the waistband. Attach the ends together. Close these openings. Double fold and stitch the hem of the skirt. And your skirt is ready. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I will be back with another video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye.